I like cash in my hair to my ass. Do the dash, can you make it go fast? Fuck the fame, all I want is them bands. If she keep on mugging, I'ma still her man. He watching my behavior cause he know I'm bad.
What's up, y'all? I'm back like a butt crack, and if you're new to my channel, you might as well go ahead and subscribe since you already here, and click that notification bell and give this video a big thumbs up. And today's guest, as always, she's not even a guest no more, my cousin.
We got hella fire. Go subscribe to me. It will be in the description box down below.
Period. So as you already see from the title, we're doing a cooking video. And we're not going to tell you what I'm making. You're just going to have to see. Well, I don't know, because I'm going to probably put it in the thumbnail. I don't know. I'm just going to put seasonings in the thumbnail. How about that? Y'all going to see it. So, yeah, let's get into the video.
Okay, guys, so
we're
earlier,
back.
Shut up. Shut up.
Okay, we're back.
The video that I recently posted, and if she posted it, it should be a little vlog with my cousin.
She's recording on her phone too, so like we're doing the same video but kind of different anyway. So that's why I'm looking over here and she's looking over there, but we're doing the same video, but we're trying to record at the same time because we both need content on our page. All right, so back to you, Hannah.
Y'all, so we recently just did a video, and it is gonna be titled like something vlog day with my cousin at the playground. She's little, so yeah. And now we're doing this video, so we about to get it popping.
All right, so now you can see what we're cooking. We're cooking some what? Some fried chicken.
Yeah, boy.
Some fried chicken.
And probably some vegetables.
A vegetable. What should we? I want sweet peas or green peas. Oh, I said
Green peas.
Sweet peas or green beans.
Green beans.
Okay.
I love me some green beans.
And we're just gonna see what else we're gonna make. So we have the chicken soaking it in some water. I'm sorry, I'm looking. This the camera, but I'm looking at myself. So. Oh, okay. I thought it was telling me I had more space. So, first, did you wash your hands?
Did you?
Yes.
No.
Okay, she has to wash her hands because that would be pretty nasty if you would.
You gotta eat.
Girl, no, we got hand soap right there.
No. Y'all, she must be going crazy. You gotta get a dime.
No, you get the hand.
No.
Y'all see my ponytail, girl? Back. Ever since I cut it, it was so small. But now it's a little something now.
I don't like my ponytail. It's not out like it is. It usually is.
It's a little something. Let me get up. I'm on my knees and
my
stuff.
My ponytail not out like it usually is. Spread it out. I don't like it like that. I like to see it. I like to see it. Can you see it?
Okay. So, I'm going to set my phone up. Okay, so the way we do our chicken, we have, we go to Piggly Wiggly and get a big old box of chicken that's already cut, or either we have to cut it sometimes, and then we bag them, and then boom, boom, we got chicken.
No, I gotta tell y'all, we got the same thing on.
Oh, y'all see it? Oh, yeah, we do got the same thing.
Y'all see, we got our pants and a black shirt, period.
Okay. I low-key copied her, but we ain't gonna talk about it.
On that note.
Okay. Oh, I hope this is kind of bad lighting. Oh, okay.
Whoa.
So we have 3 bags.
Ew! Ooh, I hate seeing that. It's like a Bloody Murder scene. Okay,
we have 3 bags of chicken, and we have 12 in each bag.
So that's 36.
Yeah. So this gonna be a lot of chicken.
I always do the flour part, y'all. I just like doing it. Okay.
Okay. This how we looking. This how we looking. Alright. Chicken. We don't exaggerate it, but don't matter. Okay.
Do that bad.
Oh, that chicken. It's a lot of chicken, you guys.
Look.
It's a lot of chicken.
So then my chicken. I got all of my hands with. I'm just picking up.
Okay. So, I'm going to wash my chicken off and I'm going to clean it You know what you're supposed to do. You don't know what you're supposed to do?
I do. I want to do it too.
Alright. So I'm gonna get this gunk off the chicken. Ain't no gunk, but y'all know I got clean chicken. They ain't on the tutorial, so if you came here for a tutorial of how to make fried chicken, I mean, this is gonna be a lot. Hold on, let me clear out this sink right here, okay, I'll be back. Anyways, we finished cleaning the chicken and we put it in both of the sinks. So now we gotta season the chicken, which is the most important part. Got some accent, got some seasoning salt, got your garlic powder. Can y'all see it? Yes, we use Great Value because it's the same thing. It's cheaper. My onion powder. Oh shoot, we don't need that. I think that's it, because that's really all I be using. But sometimes I don't use anything specific for chicken, but as long as I got those ingredients, I'm really good. And I make chicken all the time, so you can't tell me I'm not talking about. Ooh, fudge Oreos and crackers. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's all I'm going to be using. Okay. So, can you help me to put the seasonings down?
That's what I was trying to do.
Oh, attitude. Don't need it. Grab your seasoning salt. And don't put too much, but like put enough. You know what I'm saying? Why is it coming out like that? You don't want it to be too salty. Mix it all around. I'm gonna add the rest of my seasonings, and I'll just sit back and relax. All right. Mix it. Okay, so we use a fryer over here. Y'all, using a fryer is just, you got the handy dandy fryer right here. Once you use a fryer, you just ain't gonna never want to go back. But I remember one time I went to my aunt's house and she told me to fry some chicken, and we had to use a pot, and it was so weird. Like, oh my gosh, I'm bougie, no I'm playing. But yeah, so the chicken is seasoned.
I had to wipe off my hand.
Chicken is seasoned. So we're gonna get this junk on and pop in. We're gonna start. Where's my tongs? Got my babies right here. Good old flour right here. And we gonna get this on and pop in. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the chicken, sit in the flour, grab another chicken, flour, grab another chicken, and grab another. And I do this because, you know, the chicken wet and the flour gonna get all in your nails and stuff, and I hate that. I really do. Can you back up some? We can both do flour free.
Why you use that?
because I don't look. You see how it's sticking onto the thing? I don't like using my hand anymore because like it's so aggravating. So I'm sorry if this footage ain't correct right now.
Put the chicken in there.
Hi. So we cooking over here. It's fine. They light skin right now, and we don't do light skin chicken. So almost. Hannah over here acting a fool because she flouring the chicken. So now I'm gonna wait till about all the chicken is about fried because that's a lot of chicken. And yeah. Oh, I'm gonna wait till all the chicken is about fried to put on the vegetable and the macaroni. So yeah. See you guys later.
Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture.
Yep. Wow. Yep. She got some folk soldier, but she got
First batch.
The sweetest thing I've ever known was like the kiss on the collarbone.
Say hey, YouTube. Say period. Say period. Thank you. Ah! She added a poo in there.
Yeah. Lena, look. Look. Lena, look. My leg hurts. Can you kiss it? Can you give a kiss?
It's good, but it's hot.
Thank you. We got it.
So we're not even done. There's how much chicken we got right now. I just got some in there. And this is how much chicken we got left. Yeah, and then we're supposed to be doing s'mores. I'm gonna hurry up. I'm about to start on this other food. And then I'm just show y'all when I'm done because it's taking entirely too long. So I finished cooking. It got really steamy here. The grease is burning. Oh wow, my camera's like that. The chicken's not burning, but like the grease is burning, but it still tastes good. Like it's really good. So obviously people already ate, so we have more chicken in that, but I ate and I forgot to record it being finished. But now mostly everybody's outside and I'm about to get the s'more portion going on. You know what I'm saying?
Is it love? Is it love
CJ knows.
On the floor. Oh, help, Michelle. Hi.
I talked to her. I talked to him.
Let's talk to her mom. Okay, so as y'all saw, we was doing the s'mores or whatever, and I'm back in the house and I'm finna go to sleep because I'm tired. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more like this, let me know down in the comments. Yeah, cause y'all never talk to me. Shut up, bruh. It don't even have. Okay, I ain't the only one who been wearing them, so shut up. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you subscribe to both our channels. I'll put down this
yeah, I think bitches wanna be her. She got a rude demeanor, she don't smile like Mona Lisa. Hey, a young bitch from the South, I